guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to calibrate the steering angle sensor. As you know guys, most of the vehicles nowadays, past probably year 2000, they have traction control, they have stability control, and they have steering angle sensor guys. The steering angle sensor detects how many degrees you turn your steering wheel left or right, so the car knows what's happening. Now, if that adjustment is off a little bit, your traction control light, your brake, ABS light may be on and your traction control will not work. Let's say you replaced the front end parts such as tie rods, you replaced the struts, or you did a front end alignment, okay, you will have to reset your steering angle sensor. Otherwise guys, your traction control may not work and you may have traction control and brake light. So that's what we'll be doing today. We'll show you guys what tool we use. This is one of the cheapest tools on the market that works on almost any vehicle. And in addition guys, we'll have more than 200 vehicles on every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So this is guys the tool that we're using. We'll demonstrate on this BMW, but we will show you how many makes and models it supports guys. So you can find it listed in the description of the video below. So all we have to do guys, okay, you have to find your OBD, okay, your OBD port. So you will need to go underneath the vehicle guys, okay, somewhere under the, usually it will be under the steering wheel somewhere, or somewhere here you have an OBD port in our case. Okay, it's this thing right here. Perfect, and the scanner is on, so we can proceed now. Next guys, we have to turn our ignition on. You do that to the second position when the lights are on. Okay, like that, but do not start the car. This is the computer now guys, and you can do so many things, not just steering angle sensor with that thing. You can read and delete codes from the engine computer, ABS computer, traction control and brake computer, register batteries. Okay, you can see some of the functions I'm going to show you here, so you have an idea. Check it out guys. You can see where we bought ours from in the description of the video below. We'll go under steering angle sensor. Okay, it says SAS. Click enter, and now guys, okay, first of all, okay, the first thing it says introduction of the function. Okay, it tells you what it's about, steering angle sensor, what it does after replacing the sensor, or let's say you did some front end work, okay, that will need to be done. We'll select choose the vehicle now, choose the vehicle, and this is a European vehicle, so we'll go under Europe. BMW, let me show you the makes that it supports. Okay, so if you're about to buy one, you can see if yours is here. So quite a few guys. And we'll go to BMW, enter. Ours is 3 Series E46 right here. Switch on, ignition. Ours is already on. We click OK. It's establishing communication now with the computer. We click OK here. Now it's description of the function, what it does again. That's a more detailed description. It's going to tell you more things, so if you want you can check this thing out. It's pretty interesting information. It teaches you all about that stuff. So we'll click cancel and we'll click perform steering angle sensor adjustment. Click enter here. Okay, steering angle sensor matching. Do you wish to carry out steering angle sensor matching? Yes. Set wheels precisely in the straight ahead position. So steering wheel should be perfectly straight. Okay, ours is right on the spot, and we click OK. Establishing vehicle communication, please wait. And now you can see guys that it's getting there, doing its magic now. It says procedure out correctly. Check out whether the fault is still present, and switch ignition off and on, and then read fault code memory and continue. So we'll turn it off, turn it on. Okay, and if I turn the steering wheel, that value is 0, it will change to the degree of the steering wheel turning. 25 degrees, now it will be negative. -21. So it shows, guys, okay, the steering angle sensor and all that stuff. So we can go ahead and click continue. End of test. I'm going to start the car, make sure no traction light is on or anything like that. And I need to see if the traction control works. I'll click the button here to deactivate it. Okay, traction control works. So that's how you guys calibrate steering angle sensor on a vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.